course, there's a lot of video editing app for smartphone 2025. And there's one question that should be going through your mind right now, especially as a beginner. You'll be asking like, which one is the best? Which one should I start with? Yes, this happened to me when I started video editing, when I was learning video editing. And that is the reason why I am here today to tell you the best video editing app for smartphone and the best one for you, especially as a beginner. So all I need you to do is to stay to the end of this video. Yeah, let's go there. If you are just meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince Daniel and I'm a filmmaker, a creative person in general. So I want to talk about the best video editing app in 2025, best video editing app for mobile phone in 2025. And there's a tons of video editing app online, and if you don't know the one to start with, it can be confusing at times. That is why I'm here to tell you the one that is best for you as a newbie in video editing. Let me choose between four video editing apps. Then I will explain the four of them. This four is what I think is the most popular or the best which I have used. So inside these four, there's one that is very, very much best for you, especially as a beginner. So we have Kinemaster, we have InShot, we have CapCut, and we have VN Video Editor. These video editing apps, these four video editing apps you are seeing here, they have a significant role to play each, and one is the king of all of them. So inside these four, we are going to select one which will be the king of them, and that one is what I would recommend you to use to start using. So InShot is very nice, you know, especially when you are starting cutting, trimming videos, adding sound effects. But InShot, I don't see the much flexibility in color grading in InShot. That is why I feel like it is not that very much best for me. Then we have VN. VN looks so professional, like a professional video editing software. If you open it on your mobile phone, it will be like one professional video editing software. Sometimes it doesn't even look like app. So it is very, very nice, especially when you want to add a sound effect. When you want to add a video that contains a lot of sound effect, VN is the best and that I have used. And Kinemaster is a professional video editing app, but it is very hard if you are just a beginner for you to use it. Yeah, and most of the features in it is a pro version, so that is why I think. But Kinemaster, when I was using it, I mostly use it for editing action movies. Yeah, because it gives me much flexibility. It's sweet. Then we have CapCut. I would say the most popular video editing app in the world right now. Yeah, CapCut has been existing back then. Though I started using CapCut, that was 2019. Yeah, it was 2019 that I know about CapCut. So I started using CapCut back then, and it was amazing. You understand? It was amazing. Fast forward to 2025, I still find the app amazing. So there's a reason why I like CapCut so much as a video editing app. CapCut is it's more like a combination of Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects, because inside CapCut you can literally do a lot. You do color grading perfectly. It will give you more chances to tweak your color to any level you want it. Then you can add sound effects, you can add effects, some effects that we want to create in After Effects. You can create motion graphic with CapCut if you know how to use it very well. So inside these four video editing app, I feel like CapCut is the best and what I would recommend for you to start using as a beginner. Though everything is now pro, but if you have the money to purchase the pro version, I recommend you do. Then if you feel like you don't have the money to use the pro version and all that, then I recommend you go for InShot. Yeah, so these two are the king inside them. Then the main king is CapCut, followed by InShot. That is, to me, that is my own opinion. They may be the one that you prefer as your favorite or best video editing app. Then that is for you, but I am talking from experience. This is the best for me. So that's all I have to say in this video. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. See you next time, and as always, stay consistent, stay creative, and stay winning. Thank you.